Here's a case where, in a sense, we're working backwards. We're starting with the two extremes, right? These mats could be 7.5 inches or 8.25 inches thick or somewhere in between. We'd like to just come up with an inequality describing the acceptable mat thickness. And one of the keys to this problem is recognizing that since these are the extremes, or the highest and lowest possibility, then in one sense, the ideal is going to be right in the middle. And to get right in the middle of these extremes, the average of two numbers is always right in the middle. So if we find the average of these two numbers, add them together and divide by 2, we will get the quantity 7.875. For some reason, 7 7/8 of an inch is the perfect thickness of a mat in these events. I don't know, just is. And if we were to subtract these two numbers, 8.5, we use that, minus 7.875, the ideal, we get the number 0.375. This tells us about the tolerance. The maximum amount we could be off is 0.375. We'd like to be less, we'd like to be closer than this ideal, which we got by taking the averages, but we could be off by that much. And all this tells us that for our total possibility, x is the possible thickness of a mat, minus the ideal, the absolute value of x minus the ideal weight, would be less than or equal to 0.375, maximum amount of tolerance, or the most we could be off.